Yo, so I'm creating this video, send an update on the Falcon. Shout out to Loke. I got your video, cuz. So I'm creating a little update on the Falcon. We done updated everything in here. Now we got the heads that we're gonna change out. It's all in the car, so all that's gonna get switched out real good. I worked on the body. We'll get this thing cranked up, see what we got going. Showing out though. Showing out. But let's see what this cold start is like. Hey Loke, I ain't on the road yet, but I'ma get there. Dang, I done grabbed the wrong doggone key. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. As you can see, I done painted this bad boy black. See what this cold start is like. See what we got going. Give it a couple of pumps. Up and running. They got the deck in here. One thing I got going though, she running, boy. Oh, light went out. Have to get that switched out. There ain't no problem. Got to change that bulb out. She purring like a kitten. Hey, cut it. Low cuz, we got something we working on. You know what time it is with that. Something light. But we're gonna get this thing rolling. But yeah, quick update. Purring like a kitten, boy. Purring like a kitten. I did a nice little paint job on here. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for right now. One of the mounts to the mufflers came loose. That's that rattling sound. Let me grab the